Luxembourg is facing a massive job boom, with a need for 300,000 new workers in the next 3 years. That's a huge opportunity. You'll need a long-stay visa. These visas allow you to stay and work in Luxembourg for more than 90 days. They're also called national visas, and the good news is, they're typically valid for 1 year with the possibility of extension. Plus, many companies in Luxembourg are known to sponsor work permits. Luxembourg holds the title of the richest country in the world based on GDP per capita. That translates to high salaries and fantastic social benefits. Basically, Luxembourg is calling all skilled professionals. For our viewers in the EU, EEA, or Switzerland, you don't need a work visa to work in Luxembourg. But for those of us outside the EU or EEA or Switzerland, don't worry, there's still a path to living and working in Luxembourg. You'll just need to secure a work visa and residence permit. So if you want to stay longer than 3 months, before entering the country, you have to apply for temporary authorization to stay at the General Department of Immigration of the Ministry of Home Affairs. This step is usually done by the employer. After the approval of the temporary authorization, you can apply for a Type D visa at the nearest embassy or consulate of Luxembourg in your home country. After entering Luxembourg, you have to go through medical checkup and then you must apply for a temporary residence permit in Luxembourg. There are 2 types of Luxembourg long-stay work visa. First is long-term visa D visa, and this visa is required for stays exceeding 90 days for work, study, or permanent residence. This is the most common type of salaried employment visa for non-EU EEA Swiss citizens. Second is EU Blue Card for highly qualified workers from non-EU EEA Swiss countries, which is offering faster processing times and specific benefits like easier family reunification. So the list of requirements of a work visa are following. Have a job offer from Luxembourg. Have a valid work contract with an employer in Luxembourg. Your employer must register your right of employment at the National Employment Agency Agence pour le développement de l'emploi ADEM. Clean criminal record, employment contract with all necessary details, valid passport, visa application form, health insurance, bank statement, copy of your educational documents. If you want to stay for longer than 1 year, you must apply for a temporary residence permit, which is issued for up to 5 years. After staying for 5 years legally in Luxembourg, you can apply for a permanent residence permit. Please like and subscribe the channel.